Hi, this is our IP68 white 12 volt LED strip. It's our waterproof strip. It is 5 meters long. It has 300 LEDs, and that's 60 LEDs per meter. It is totally encased in 4 millimeters of silicon. The strip itself is 4 millimeters thick by 12 millimeters wide. It is a rigid strip, and it is flexible enough to go around corners. It's ideal for pools, spas, outdoors, on trucks, buses, or anywhere you think you can use it. But there's one more thing we've got to show you. These strips come with a remote control. I'll put some light on it so you can see it. There you go. It's an RF remote control, and that comes with the strip. Not only can you control the on and off of the strip, you can dim the strip down, dim it up. You can make it flash, strobe, faster or slower, or just press the button for normal light. Alright, well that's our IP68 fully waterproof LED strip. If you've got any questions, please give me a call on 0451 175 440. Thanks for watching.